Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite recipes of all time. I'm going to show you my special recipe for pineapple. Stay tuned. I'm Professor Spira, and I practice something called the Mucusless Diet Healing System, and I've helped thousands and thousands of people transform their lives using the methods that are found within the Mucusless Diet Healing System. And today we're going to be talking about a very special pineapple recipe. And you know, people always want me to do recipe videos and food prep videos, and so I do have a series of food prep videos. If you're interested, if you like this and you want to see some more complicated recipes, then you can check out my Mucusless Diet Healing System e-course, where I have some food prep videos. But today, let's dive right in. So this is a pineapple, and it's a good and ripe pineapple. I was able to find this, and you know, oftentimes you go to the store and the pineapple is all green and that's not ripe, but these they have the potential to ripen okay off the vine, and so this is what we're dealing with right here. So let me show you. So this is it's not too complicated. So what we do is we need a knife, you need some kind of cutting board, and your fruit. And the way I do it, there's more sophisticated ways, but I just like to kind of cut the top off, the stem right here. Just put that to the side. Then we have this nice amount of pineapple. And what I usually do is I'll take the portion that I'm probably going to eat, which is maybe half of it. I usually don't eat the whole thing. Now, if I'm juicing it, then I would, you know, go ahead and cut the whole thing here. But I will just go along the sides and kind of cut off the skin. Like I said, I'm sure there's more sophisticated ways to do it. I'm just sharing with you the way I do it. Just simple. Doesn't have to be pretty if you're my stuff. There's some people on Instagram that have gorgeous pictures of food and of videos of food prep and raw food prep and all kinds of stuff. Me, a little bit more workmanlike in my approach to food prep. But so once you get it cut up a little bit, then I just kind of cube it a little bit. So I cut around the core like so. And then I'll just cut it into little pieces. And sometimes I might pick it up and just eat it with, you know, the larger pieces. Sometimes I feel like cutting it a little bit. So I'll plate this. I'll plate, that the technical term that the chefs use and the people on the food channel, to plate something. So I'll plate this pineapple. And I know this doesn't look fancy at all. All the fancy people. And here you go. This is so now it's ready to serve. It's ready to eat. If you're serving yourself, then you can eat it. If you're serving someone else, some family members or something, you can do that. And so you can, if you want to just use your hands, you can use your hands. If you want to use something like a fork, you can use a fork. Or if you know how to use chopsticks, I've never was able to figure it out. You can use chopsticks. I'm just going to use my hands here. And let's get a nice golden piece. Let's see how this is. Yeah. That's the spot. What the one guy say? I guarantee.
I guarantee. Isn't that a beauty? Isn't that a beautiful red snapper? Isn't that a beautiful red snapper? I guarantee that's a fine one.
Yeah, this is Maybe I'll make a slash mukbang video, mucus-free mukbang. So that's how you do it. The recipe is not too complicated. You know, Arnold Ehret in the Mucusless Diet Healing System talks a lot about mono-fruit meals. And to be honest, most of my meals, or most of my fruit meals, are mono-fruit meals. I don't really mix a whole lot of stuff. And a lot of my recipes are fairly simple. And so when you get into Mucusless Diet Healing System, you start to see that simplicity, appreciate it, understand it, and it just makes life easier to have a simple approach to things. But then you have cleanup, and so you just, in your compost, you can dispose of the refuse of the fruit, or if you had to throw it away, throw it away. But then, you know, you can kind of rinse off the board. And if you feel the need to use water and soap, you can do that. But this is really sufficient right here for the moment. So there you have it. That is my special recipe for mucus-free pineapple. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. And I'm gonna make a few of these recipe videos because people always ask me for recipes. People always ask me, what do I eat? So this is what I'm going to eat right now. I haven't eaten anything today. It is 12 o'clock. And this will be my first meal. And this is all I'll eat for the first meal. And yeah, then I'll have a salad later on. That's what I eat. It's not real complicated. I know it's not exciting. That's why oftentimes over the years I didn't do a lot of these videos, because it's, you know, like I said, I can't compete with the pretty and fun Instagram influencers. They have beautiful stuff, beautiful pictures, beautiful video, and it's hard, and they're beautiful people, so it's hard to always compete with that. But this is what I do. This is how I do it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I truly appreciate you for tuning in. Again, if you want to see some more, seriously, if you want to see some more complicated recipes, my favorite salads, the salads that I eat almost every day, some of the cooked transitional menus, the baked squash and baked banana. If you want to see all of that, then check out the Mucusless Diet Healing System e-course, where I have food prep videos that go over all of that stuff, and you will really, really understand. If you go through that course, you're just going to be heads and shoulders above everybody else in terms of understanding the Mucusless Diet Healing System, understanding how your body truly operates. So again, I thank you so much. And right now, don't go anywhere. Click right here. You're going to want to see this. You're going to want to check out this new video. So click right here, and I will see you over there.